giants reside, keeping the fire and the hunger inside.